live right now.
I want to stop. Do you want mine? No, I don't want yours. Here, mine.
You're live right now.
Mm-hmm.
Is there anybody on?
Hmm?
Is there anybody on yet?
Keep it.
Oh, no, there's one person, but I can't really see who it is. Hi, guys.
No. Stop.
Hi, I don't know who's on, but
Stop.
let's see if I can figure out who's on. Does it say?
Can't do it.
Not quite
Get
sure.
Out. Stop, Madden. Oh. Madden.
Madden.
What?
Look who's that.
He's gonna cry. Not funny, Mom.
Hold on.
Okay, we're going to get ready to start, okay?
Open them up, Madden. No, you're not listening. You're not listening. You're not.
Guys.
Yeah.
Hey, you're on video now.
Yes.
Okay?
Hi, guys.
Here we go. Let's start.
Hi, guys. I'm Adrienne. Today I'm going to do a live food demonstration for you. I'm really excited. We're going to make protein-packed breakfast bites, okay? So it's really great. I got my helpers here that are going to help me make this. This is a Harper and Madden. Okay, so these are really simple and easy. So the first thing that you would need, you just need a muffin tin. You can use either a mini muffin tin or you can also use the regular size ones. I happen to only have small little mini cupcake liners, so and I don't have a mini tin. So we're just gonna use these mini liners. So that's what you're gonna start doing, is putting the liners inside the cupcake tin. Go ahead, put them in there, bud. Very nice. All right, so that's your first step. The next one, you are going to add a little bit of granola. So just put your favorite granola in there. You're going to put it in the bottom of the cupcake tin. Harper's going to do that. She'll demonstrate.
I do these.
Yep, you just got to wait just 1 second, okay?
Is that delicious, Harper? Yes, it is. Is that an oatmeal? Oh, it looks like oatmeal.
And we did wash our hands, so just make sure that you guys always wash your hands before cooking or baking. So we put in granola in the bottom of our cupcake liners. Okay, so we did that. Very nice. You don't need to pack them too full, so just very little there at the bottom. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit of yogurt. I'm using a low-fat Greek yogurt. You can use plain or just use whatever your favorite type of yogurt is, okay? So you're gonna put that in on top of the granola. I use probably about a tablespoon. So Harper's putting them in there very nicely. You don't need too much. So granola, if you watched my video yesterday, yogurt, if you watched my video yesterday, it's good for helping boost the immunity. Very important, especially for right now, just to stay healthy. Very nice, Harper. You're doing a great job.
Let's see. Let me see.
All right. She's finishing up with that. All right, perfect. Okay, and the last thing we're gonna do, we are just gonna add our berries. I have blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. So you're just gonna place them on top of the yogurt. Nope, you're gonna put those on top of the yogurt, bud, okay?
I do.
Yep, you can use your hands. So you just kind of place them on top. You can put as much or as little on top of there. There you go. Nice, perfect. That works. So berries, they have a lot of antioxidants in them. So those are good for boosting immunity as well. But antioxidants, they are responsible for neutralizing those free radicals. Free radicals damage cells in our body and reduce our immunity. So antioxidants are really important to incorporate into the diet. So we're topping those off with some blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Also, the yogurt has calcium. Calcium is really important for the formation and maintaining bones, teeth, and blood clotting, and more.
No, it's not. Good job.
Calcium actually decreases as we age. So like calcium absorption decreases as we age because of things like menopause. So just like the lack of estrogen. So after the age of 50, bone breaks down and exceeds bone formation. So really important to get calcium in your diet. You need about 1,200 milligrams per day of calcium. So this is great to kind of get you started in the morning. Yep, good job. That's perfect. You know what? That looks great. That looks really good. Okay, so next thing you would do after this, since we got everything in there, that's all you do, we're gonna pop it in the freezer. You wanna freeze for 3 to 4 hours. So we'll put it in the freezer. Harper's gonna do that for me. Go ahead and pop it in the freezer. Freeze them for 3 to 4 hours. You want them to be nice and hard. Nice work. Very nice. Okay, and then let's show everybody what they look like when they're done freezing. So go ahead and grab that plate for me, Harper. So afterwards, these are great for a hot day. These are what your protein-packed breakfast bites look like. So they're really good. They only have about a couple calories in them per a bite. Now you can modify this however you want, which is great. Yeah, so that's it. Those are protein-packed breakfast bites. I will post the recipe after this. I hope you guys enjoyed our food demo. Say thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.